Okay, I just came across this library that simplifies Python code by managing synchronous and asynchronous functions in a single template. It's wild.
Wait, are you telling me this library can create both sync and async functions from the same template? That's fascinating.
Exactly, so instead of duplicating code for each type, you just define it once and let the library handle the differences. How cool is that?
So how does it actually work? I've seen similar concepts, but usually they come with a ton of boilerplate.
Right? This library uses decorators and context managers to mark sections of your code. It's like coloring your functions based on their type.
Oh, so the decorators set the function's context, like turning a function into an async one? That's super smart.
Yeah, and the magic happens when you define a template function using @transfunction. You get automatic code generation.
Automatic code generation? That sounds amazing. What happens when you call this template function?
It creates an object that can generate functions based on your template. You can extract sync, async, or generator versions easily.
Wait, so all those functions retain access to the same variables? That's functionality packed.
Totally. Imagine writing code once and having 3 different types of functions at your fingertips. It's like a dream.
But are there any limits? Like, what if you want to include third-party decorators?
Good question. You can't apply third-party decorators directly to the template. You would have to generate first and then decorate.
That makes sense. It's almost like a workaround to avoid ambiguity in the types. Really clever.
And guess what? Markers help to indicate specific blocks in the function, like when to use await.
Ooh, that's fascinating. So you could design a function and tell it exactly when to execute asynchronously.
Exactly. There are context managers for sync, async, and generators, which keep everything neat and organized.
What about the superfunctions I heard you mention? What's the deal with those?
Oh, superfunctions are probably the coolest part. They let you generate the function on the fly based on how you call it.
Wait, so it's literally adapting to whether you call it as a regular function, async function, or generator. That's insane.
Yes, you call it using a tilde syntax. If it sees you want a sync call, it generates that, or async if you use await.
That's a super versatile feature. What's the catch, though? It sounds too good to be true.
You're right, there are some pitfalls. If you use it in a specific way, you can't reliably handle return values or exceptions.
So it's better for quick operations or logging instead of core functionality. Makes sense.
Exactly, but just think about logging or stats collection. No exceptions needed there.
All right, so when you're using it as intended, it's fantastic. But for anything else, tread carefully.
You got it. It's all about using the right features for the right scenarios. Such a powerful tool.
This makes me rethink how I structure my Python functions. I can see this simplifying a ton of my code.
Same here. The potential to reduce duplication and manage complexity is huge. I'm excited just thinking about it.
Totally. It will be interesting to see how this affects the Python ecosystem. It's kind of revolutionary.
For sure. I mean, if they can integrate this in popular frameworks, it could be game-changing.
Exactly. I can't help but wonder, how long until we see widespread adoption? It feels like an evolution.
I feel like it's just a matter of time. Developers love tools that make life easier. This one does just that.
Right. Imagine not stressing about whether a function is async or sync. Just use it how you want.
Yes, and all without rewriting code multiple times. Honestly, who wouldn't want that ease?
Absolutely. This is blowing my mind with possibilities for cleaner, more efficient coding.
For sure, it makes you rethink everything from basic functions to more complex asynchronous logic.
And that's the beauty of innovation in tech, completely transforming how we approach familiar problems.
You nailed it. I can't wait to start experimenting with this library and see where it leads.
Same here. Let's see what areas of our codebase we can simplify first. Game on.